Bonjour! I'm Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. Can you guess where we are? Today, I'm going to be giving you an Airbnb tour. Nice TV, little TV. Got the bathroom here. Some towels, perfect. And the shower. I love a bathroom that has windows. Oh, it's just about to be sunset as well. Alright, and there's a little balcony. Let me step out here. Oh, just after stepping off the plane and getting here now to be on the balcony and just breathing in the petty air. It feels good. It feels free. Also, we got coffee maker, microwave, microonda. I think that's Spanish, not French. So here's the loft. We get up the stairs, and this is the lovely bed space. Oh my gosh, while I'll be sleeping. And look at this. Nice view of the sky, and of course we can close it and open the window. I was just sticking my head up here. And you got a little window at the tippy top. So that is the beautiful patty loft that I am staying in this weekend. Isn't it beautiful? And it's in a great location. We just landed, just checked in, and I really want to go to the Eiffel Tower to see sunset. And the Eiffel Tower is a 26-minute walk, 20-minute train, and a 12-minute taxi from here. So I think that's the option I'm gonna go for, the taxi option, to get my way, to get right over there so I can see the beautiful Eiffel Tower. One thing on my list for me to see during this weekend is to see the Eiffel Tower lit up at nighttime when it gets all sparkly. So at nighttime, I believe, like, you know, right after sunset, they'll turn the lights on, but it's just one regular main light. But then at a certain time in the night, in the evening, maybe 8 p.m. or 9, it starts to sparkle. And that's the most beautiful part. And the last time I was here in Paris, I went to go see it sparkly, and I completely missed it. And it was, I don't know, maybe 2-3 a.m. and it was just all lit up one mostly. That's a bit on the agenda this weekend. And I'm also in town to see Black Coffee, Emmy Award winning DJ Black Coffee. This will be my second time seeing him, and he performs tonight. I'm so excited. I'm here for the good vibes, the good music, the good beats, all of it. So thank you for joining me on today's Airbnb tour. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Peace, love, good vibes, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Toodles!